Hey everyone, Pupsker here. Today we're going to quickly go over where to farm ash. The main blueprint for ash can be purchased in the market for 35,000 credits, so just pop on over there, search up ash, and just make sure you have enough credits. The rest of the farm might be a little annoying though. So ash drops specifically from a unit called Manics. Now the annoying thing about these enemies are they aren't like a very common spawn, and they only have a 33% chance altogether to drop an ash part. People like to farm ash on Kelpie Senda down here. It's a disruption mission. People farm this because when there is a pack hunter node in the disruption, it spawns Manics. So run the disruption, and whenever there is a pack hunter node, kill the Manics, and hopefully you'll get it. It's pure RNG, so you might be here for a while, or you might not be here too long. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.